Vertical farming is basically looking at a new way of growing beyond glass. So it's eliminating the challenges in a changing climate of growing using natural sunlight, essentially. So what we can do is give the advantages of yield, quality and consistency by using our technology to modify the growing environment around the plant. This level of control has never been available to growers before. So from a research perspective, we're now opening up the doors that they're able to do in order to give us better quality for lower cost. Ultimately, grow more crop, places that you can typically grow crops. So we're looking at this as a global solution. We can take this to deserts, Arctic, Antarctic, sort of polar region environments, as well as just bringing it closer to the cities. So there's advantages of freshness, as well as this reduction in wastage. What we've done is bring controllability to LED lighting that's previously been a challenge for the industry at scale. So it's fine on small scale, domestic scale, no problems. But as soon as you start putting a lot of LEDs in a small space, you get all sorts of electrical problems that require correction, and that can be expensive. You also need expensive electricians to install these. So with our technology, we've managed to reduce the cost of installation, but also bring this controllability without the electrical infrastructure required to do that. So it allows us to control the lights in ways that have not been done before, which allows the science now to start looking at how can we generate those crops in a better way and make better crops in these environments. By changing the light, we can actually change the way the plant grows completely. So we can change the morphology of the plant, the flavor of the plant, the nutritional content of the plant, all these things that basically give us quality. This is why we're going to be working with customers and with the Hutton to really drive quality through this process to make sure that the customers get the product that works for them. So as I say, we can make lettuce, red lettuce white, we can make basil, massive leaves on very small plants, these sorts of things. And it's really about maintaining intensity of flavor and improving the nutrition. What we're doing is basically we can grow incredibly badly as well as incredibly well because we have so much variability in this environment. So what the Hutton will do is basically make sure that we're doing things to improve the crops. So they'll be looking at the science with the customers effectively, but also for their own research, they'll be able to use this facility to start trying new breeds of crops and new varieties within that. They'll be looking at plant health situation and things. Our location here is obviously not by accident. The James Hutton is a really well-recognised food research, well, crop research institute that is feeding our supply chain. So for us, it was a no-brainer to base ourselves next to them to give us their skills and capabilities. But that obviously brings things to the wider area as well. We're in a very good berry growing area, strong industry here. Plus we see a lot of breweries and distilleries and things like that starting to pop up around. And these things are all really driving some of the potential products that we would grow as well. Maybe it's some botanicals for the gin industry and things like that. So we are seeing interactions that are not necessarily available in other areas.
Food and drink research in the region comes in various forms, from unique growing techniques through to unrivaled lab-based research. We are very keen to explore opportunities with conference organisers who are looking to collaborate with our leading experts and look at advancing research and innovation within this sector